वास्को शारांत कोळशाचें प्रदूषण कमी करपाक एमपीटी दिसान दीस पावल मारीत आसा। शुक्रारा एमपीटीन कोळशाचो कोयर कमी करपाक कोळसो निवळ करपी मशीन हाडला, अशी माहिती एमपीटी अध्यक्ष जयाकुमार हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Because earlier we had an example of a government machinery which never used to climb even the same small slope.
See, the issue of pollution has been doing rounds everywhere on social media. It has been even discussed in the assembly. So I think MPT chairman is in the right direction. Number one, they have taken measures to reduce pollution. Even the readings, what have been given the last 3 months readings, have improved. So this is a good sign that MPT is aware of the environment and MPT is aware of the health of the people of Vasco. Another step that MPT chairman has taken is by providing the sweeping machine. See, because motorcyclists, pedestrians are having a lot of difficult last few years, we have requested MPT, and MPT has brought a sweeping machine that is designed in India only, and it is mounted on an Indian vehicle. That is the important part. MPT chairman just briefed me also saying that the maintenance part also will be theirs. See, operation is theirs. Otherwise, it is very difficult for the municipal council to do this maintenance. So I am happy that the Mormugam Port Trust has given Vasco a machine. It's for a start. There are more other measures that we have been discussing. MPT has come forward to even repair the road shoulders. So the road shoulders also can be swept. I'm happy on that count.
We get the dust created in the operations. So this machine we have procured for 30 lakhs. Sweeping machine, road sweeper. It will work daytime inside the port. Night it will work in the municipal Vasco roads. It will be working. Apart from that, various measures we have taken. Consultant is there, and water spraying mystic cannon also. We will bring it just to show to you. Already it is working inside. And even the past 3 months readings, I can show you the copies. This is the copies I can give also. Readings are within the standards. Whatever the Pollution Control Board given the standards, we are there. So we are taking a lot of steps. We understand the sentiment, and scientifically we are analyzing. We will do all possible efforts to see that it is within the prescribed limit. That is what our endeavor. So the board and the city should live together and should understand each other. That is what our motive.